you turn on the V8, you think these two might be two different cars, but when you start driving this one, oh boy, you know exactly these are two different machines. Jumping from the hybrid, the V8 gives you such a kick, a proper kick. It is almost like waking up from a nice, lovely, smooth nap. But when you put it to sport, well, oh dear, it feels like you've been a bit of a rather lovely coma. This car is just aggressive. It is so fast. It is also very loud, a proper sports car. It is a bit mental, God almighty. The sound is very high. It is also very addictive. James Bond, in case you're watching and you're looking to remain within the similar sound range as the Aston Martin, but looking for a bit of a Japanese flavor in your life, well, look no further, because this is a pretty beautiful sound. Oh, it just screams like a lion. This isn't just a little bug, it's a proper angry scream. Speed automatic transmission, seamless, smooth, but to really get the best out of this car, use those beautiful posh magnesium paddle shifters. You're gonna have most of the fun. Rear-wheel drive, so rather playful. It is also fairly a heavy car, but it is ever so nimble. The steering and handling, honestly, one of the best I've had in cars I have tested. And if you've watched my channel for a while, you know I've tested some pretty nice cars. This car is just been built for those kind of roads. It glues, it sticks to this road. It is just incredible. And it wants you, it just begs you to push it hard. Suspension is incredibly soft for a sports car. It manages to absorb most of the bumps and imperfections. There's very little cabin noise, but what you hear at all times is, oh yeah, is this. It's this beautiful exhaust music. It just gets your heart pumping, blood flowing. Oh yes, that's the way it should be. Is it the perfect Gran Turismo? I think so. It is comfortable, it is fast, it just steals your heart. Is it a green car? Well, not exactly. You're looking at about 14-15 liters. But why worry, honestly? You're buying this car to really enjoy life to its fullest, and that's exactly how you're going to feel in this car. Which one it is for me? The hybrid or the V8? Well, the hybrid is for those craving refinement, serenity. The V8, on the other hand, is for those craving fire. A lot of fire. Oh, for those who are not afraid, you know, to take this horse and tame it, because it is one naughty, angry animal. As a daily driver, I would probably choose the hybrid. I know, shoot me, but I would. But because I'm a kid at heart, the V8 is just, it has definitely stolen my heart. Both are incredible cars. I fall in love with that V8. I mean, can you blame me? Honestly, beautiful cars. Look at me planning ahead, already thinking about choices and decisions. One day when I'm rich, I'll have both of them. Nothing on that note. It's time to wrap things up. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. Both cars equally. A big thank you to Conrad from LEXUS Switzerland for letting me play with those two little ponies. Oh, look at this. A bit of fun. As always, I look forward to your comments and questions. Thank you very much again for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!